كل من عليها فان ويبقى وجه ربك ذو الجلال والإكرام. There is only one thing to remain, and that is none other than the Lord of the Arsh and Kursi, the creator of the dunya. After praising the Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and sending salutations on Nabi Kareem sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, I begin as always by first thanking you, my host, for giving me this opportunity to convey the message of Allah and His Rasul sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. And I pray to the Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that Allah accepts these efforts of yours in listening to this message in the late hours of the night. As I pray to the Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that Allah accepts these efforts of mine in trying to deliver the message of Allah and His Rasul sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. My young friends, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in His glorious book, He says, O Muslimano, kullu nafsin dha'iqatul maut. Every soul shall taste death. Irrespective of who you are, what you are, where you are, how big you may be, 7 foot, 8 foot, every soul will taste death. ثم قضى أجله. Everyone has a fixed time. 5 years, 10 years, 50 years. You might even make it to 100. Everyone has a fixed time. لكل أمة أجل. إذا جاء أجلهم فلا يستأخرون عنه ساعة ولا يستقدمون. And when that fixed time comes, then my young friend, there will not be delay, not even for a zillionth of a second. Thereafter, إنما توفون أجوركم يوم القيامة. You will receive your reward in full, good or bad. What is success? What, to have a fat car, $1 million in your bank account, going around with women to your right and women to your left? Is this success? Allah saying, فَمَنْ زُحْزِهَ عَنِ النَّارِ وَأُدْخِلَ الْجَنَّةَ فَقَدْ فَازَ. Success? Whoever can save himself from the eternal punishment that will not come to an end, but will increase by the second, pain beyond the comprehension of the human mind. Whoever can save himself from that Jahannam, and he's admitted into gardens under which rivers flow, he is the one that has succeeded. وَمَا الْحَيَاةُ الدُّنْيَا إِلَّا مَتَاعُ الْغُرُورِ. My young friend, do not be deceived by that BMW that you may drive. Do not be deceived by that Jaguar or the fat Range Rover that you may have. Do not be deceived by the bungalows that you may live in. Tall, lofty buildings, beautiful houses, the beautiful clothes that you may wear. Do not be deceived by this dunya. Why? وَمَا الْحَيَاةُ الدُّنْيَا إِلَّا مَتَاعُ الْغُرُورِ. This dunya is deceiving. Why? Because everything with this dunya will come to an end, and this dunya will also come to an end. كل من عليها فان ويبقى وجه ربك ذو الجلال والإكرام. There is only one thing to remain, and that is none other than the Lord of the Arsh and Kursi, the creator of the dunya.